Hello everyone, this video tutorial shows how to install the CGS series stackable battery. Please read the user manual carefully, and all the installation operations must be carried out by qualified professionals. After unboxing, please refer to the packing list to check the accessories and battery packs for any damage or missing parts. Please prepare the necessary tools and cables for installation in advance. Mounting. Place installation positioning cardboard on the ground and keep a distance of approximately 20 to 25 mm from the wall. Mark 4 corresponding drilling points on the ground and wall respectively. Use screwdriver to disassemble the floor mount base and contribution unit. Place the floor mount base on the ground, adjust the base with screwdriver, and pay attention to the bubble level that makes sure the base is placed stably. Use expansion screws to secure the base to the ground. Use tool knife to cut open the outer packaging, and tighten the hand lifts to the threaded holes on the side of the battery pack. Lift the battery pack and ensure it is placed smoothly on the base. Stack the remaining battery packs in sequence and remove the hand lifts in the end. Use impact drill with a diameter of 10 mm to drill holes, ensuring a depth of approximately 60 mm. Use M6 expansion screws and M5 screws to tighten the anti-tipping connector on top battery pack. Place the contribution unit on top of the battery packs, and press down hard to ensure the stable connection. Use electric drill to secure the side connectors between the battery packs. PE cable connection. Before making the cables, please ensure the DC switch is off. Use insulated gloves, and refer to the markings to ensure the ground cable terminal is the appropriate length. Please select the ground point of the contribution unit and connect the ground cable with M5 screws. Power cable and communication cable connection. Make the battery cable terminal with appropriate length, refer to the markings. Unscrew the battery connector. Insert the cable terminal into the corresponding battery connector. Use crimping plier to press it firmly. Remove the waterproof plug and connect the battery connector to the corresponding battery port of the contribution unit according to the polarity. Next, connect the BMS cable to the corresponding COM ports of the contribution unit respectively. Decorative covers installation. Install the decorative covers from the bottom to top in sequence. Fix the decorative cover of the contribution unit with M4 screws. Commissioning. Finally, turn on the DC switch of the contribution unit and long press the power button to power on the whole battery system. Thanks for choosing our CGS series stackable battery.